Hey, today I'm going to show you how to use concrete repair mix to fix those cracks and holes in your house. The best part, it's super easy and anyone can do it in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Okay, before I get started, I want to show you the product I'm using. It's a Secrete Fast Patch Fast Concrete Repair. But the benefit of this is that it starts setting in minutes, making just the job a little bit easier. But you can pretty much find something similar at your local hardware store. Okay, so first, let's make sure the area you want to repair is clean and free from any loose debris. Use a brush or a broom to sweep away any of the loose dirt, dust, or pieces of concrete. Okay, now that it's all clean and prepped, let's get to mixing the cement. So what you want to do now is read over the back of the instructions on the concrete mix. But generally, they're pretty much all gonna be the same. What you're going to do is pour a bit of the mix into a bucket, and gradually what you want to do is add water, right? And while that's doing, you want to stir it with your trowel. And then what you want to do is you want to achieve a thick, almost like a peanut butter-like consistency, okay? And while you're doing this, be sure to wear your safety gloves and goggles, because what happens is when you pour in the mix, a lot of the powder gets airborne into the air, so you don't want to be breathing that in. And here it is, kind of almost like a peanut butter consistency. Okay, so once the mix is ready, we're gonna be applying it to the damaged area. Okay, so what you want to do now is take your trowel and you want to apply the mix to the damaged concrete area that you want to repair, right? So we want to make sure to push the mix into the crack and the cracks and holes. And then what you're going to do is smooth the surface with a trowel for a super clean finish. You're going to need to play around here, have some patience, and go over it a few times until it's pretty much the way you want it to look. If you want to blend the repair area with the surrounding concrete, you want to gently feather the edges using the trowel. This will help create a seamless finish. And here it is. I don't want to say what I did was, super nice, but I'm pretty happy with my results. I could have spent maybe a little bit more time, but I'm pretty happy with what I've got here. And to let it cure and dry, right? I just kind of put the trowel here and with a bottle of car wash just to keep it up as it's drying. It's not just gonna sag down, just because my patch here is a little bit thick. It really depends on how yours is. Okay, and then within 3 to 4 hours, I noticed that it's already hardening, so everything's turning out really well. And then just based on the instructions, I'm gonna give it another 24 hours and let's see how it looks. All right, and here it is, 24 hours later, everything is cured. Looks great, super hard, no cracks. As you can see, huge difference from how it was before. It looks great, and as you can see, it is very simple. Anyone can pretty much do it. So there you go. Hope you guys found this video helpful and useful, and go ahead and fix that broken concrete patch you have in your house. All right, thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.